nag-hire ng mga lucky stars. What made you decide to come up with this idea na mga artista naman yung ipalit sa 24K girls?
One is we want to shake things up. Nagkataon lang din siguro na, if I'm not mistaken, the US franchise is already doing it, diba? Na regular players ang mahawak ng briefcase. So, syempre, sa Pilipinas, we want to add an additional twist, which would be celebrities nga muna. But after a while, pag they settle down, if everyone's familiar now with the concept, regular players din kami. Kasi kagaya naman sa Janice, diba? Kagaya ng what I mentioned earlier, kadalasan for every game show, we always start with celebrities. Para may familiarity na mga tao. Once they get the hang of the game show, doon na namin i-infuse ang regular players.
So yung 20 stars, papalitan din sila, babalik yung 24K girls?
Hindi, regular players
from
different sectors, yes.
Pero paano yung, kasi sinasabi nila parang pag nagiging regular players yung napapanood, yung ratings affected.
Well, sa amin hindi naman. Well, it does help, definitely naman, pag celebrity. Pero para sa akin hindi naman. I mean, once you give them a certain brand, a certain attack, you'll always have your viewers. Din naman, na nakita namin sa Deal or No Deal, sa past Deal or No Deal, kahit sa other game shows that I handle. It does help if you have celebrities, but if you have something really good to offer, it doesn't matter who the players are, whether it be celebrity or regular player.
Pero totoo ba na kaya daw bumaba yung price kasi may TF ang mga 20 lucky stars?
Hindi naman, then it's more of it's understandable kung ang game show mo ay weekly, so you have enough time, di ba? But for a daily show, tama lang naman ng 1 million because each and every day, a new person has a chance to win 1 million. So it's tama lang naman to adjust.
So wala silang honorarium aside from yung mapapanalunan nila?
May styro sila na pagkain para...
Hindi naman bongga ang
I guess I'm not at liberty to talk about, the transactions behind the camera para sa ating lucky stars. No idea.
Pero for sure naman siguro kasi may mga
of course, meron sila, Janice. Kasi hindi naman sila lahat makakakuha ng briefcase in a day.
Yes.
Diba? So, they're paid for that.
So, gaano katagal silang nagtitaping? For the whole, di ba 20 stars? So, gaano katagal kinunan yung taping para masagasaan yung mga schedules nila?
Well, basically, aabutin natin for 7 taping days, basically.
For the whole month na yun?
Halos, yes, for the whole month, 7 taping days.
Possible ba na may mga mapanood din stars from other channels?
Sana! We would love for that to happen. Ang Deal or No Deal naman, even if yes, it is aired on ABS-CBN, yes, it's a Kapamilya game show, we still want to help people, gusto namin magpasaya ng tao. If that means having other stars from different channels, come right over, you're welcome.
Possible kayang mapanood dito si Manny Pacquiao?
Ang ganda nun! Pwede yun. In fact, that happened last season naman, when my daddy was with TV5. Pinayagan siya na mag-guest sa akin.
Si Edu?
Yes.
Pero si Pacquiao sa tingin niyo, kaya mo ba?
Sir Manny, you're more than welcome to join Kapamilya Deal or No Deal. And hopefully, sana magdilang ang ka na matuloy nga yun.
Ayun, last question ko. Is it possible din ba na kung magpo-propose ka kay Angel, gamit mo ang 20 at briefcases na yan? Hahanapin kung nasa yung sing-sing.
Pinahirapan ko pa, no? Wala ka na bad trip? Then, mas pagbukas ng huli, wala. Tatawag si banker, magninegosyo pa. Mag-uusap pa sila, hindi. When that day comes, it's gonna be Luis Manzano, the boy, that will propose, not Luis Manzano, the host. Hindi ko gamitin ang kahit.
Pero ang sing-sing, definitely more than 1 million.
Let's just say na yung nakita kong sing-sing, kailangan may 3 bodyguard na kasama pa natin.
So, ilang digits?
Hindi ko na alam eh, kasi ang nakita kong sing-sing was 5 million, so tinawaran ko ng 7.2. Ganun ako tawag, dinadagdagan ko.
Pero Luis, kidding aside, may nakita ka ng sing-sing?
Wala pa talaga.
Hindi ka pa talaga naghahanap?
Wala pa. I have something in mind, but in terms of yung actually looking, hindi pa.
Then yung sa concept ng paano ka magpo-propose, naiisip-isip mo na rin?
Meron, honestly.
Nasabi mo na sa mom mo?
Hindi pa. Pero eventually sabihin ko kasi sa kanya kukunin yung panggastos. Mahirap ang buhay ngayon, ha?
Pero sabi mo, mas mayaman si Angel sa'yo.
Oo naman. Angel is very blessed. And I'll be the first one to admit and openly admit na I'm mature enough and man enough to admit na maraming pera naman talaga sa akin si Angel. Iba ang presyo ng isang prime leading lady versus a simple host. Hindi, totoo yun.
May pumapalag.
Hindi, totoo yun. I'll be the first one to admit. Endorsement versus endorsement lang, malayo din ang presyo. And Angel is very blessed. She is very fortunate that she was able to build her brand and build her name a certain way that every penny she has, she deserves even more.
So possible din na mag-guest ulit si Angel, maging one of the lucky stars.
Gagawa ko ng paraan na ma-bypass yung lucky stars. Gagawa ko ng paraan para hindi na ma-hassle. Aabutan ko na lang yung lucky stars. Huwag na kayong pumalag. Okay na yun.
Bakit ayaw mo?
Hindi, para at least hindi na siya mapapagod, di ba? Yung pagdating niya, direct yung stage na.
Palusot
Aabutan ko na yung lucky stars.
Okay, thank you, Luis.
Thank you, Janice. Thank you.
Thank you, Janice. Okay, punta na po tayo sa portion ng ating mini-game, Luis.
Yes?
Pipili